the brewing process, Birdsong Brewing uses as little water as any brewery in the industry. So you might think that's the main source of where they conserve water. But where Birdsong conserves the most water is up here with their solar panels. Most of the water that we lose from the Catawba River is in the form of steam from coal and nuclear power plants that need it for cooling on Lake Norman and Lake Wylie. What Birdsong has done here is create a source of energy that does not need water for cooling, that does not generate waste. So it's awesome to see here to have a 70 kilowatt system feeding our grid with carbon-free energy that is also not using water.